Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you are watching another exciting episode of On Trail. Today I'm in Sedona, Arizona. As you could see, I mean, the red rock behind me kind of gives it away, and I'm at Doe Mountain. Now, Doe Mountain is 1.7 miles to the top, but I'm actually going to walk the entire little rim section up there and then come down. So altogether, it's going to be about 2.5, 3 miles today, and from what I hear, this is supposed to be a very scenic yet very simple and enjoyable hike. So I'm really excited. It's cold as a witch's tit out here today, my friends. My nays are about to fall off. It's so cold. But what can you do? It's November, mid-November in northern Arizona, and this is what we're going to get for the next few months. So on that note, my friends, enough jibber jabber. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And I have to ask, seriously, as I kind of get out of the way and show you what's behind me, what are you waiting for? Get out, Arizona. My friends, it's time for that next adventure. Let's get going. right, everybody, so we finally finished up with Doe Mountain and the Doe Mountain Rim Trail. You might be asking yourself, who is this hike for? Well, I would say any hiker from any skill level that can deal with roughly about 5 miles round trip. Now, once you get to the top and you walk around that Doe Mountain Rim, it adds about 1.3 miles to the 0.7 miles that Doe Mountain is. So even though that would equal 4 round trip, I would say 5 just to be safe. The views were gorgeous, as you can see, and I apologize for not getting any footage with the DJI, but I promise you next time I will. So on that note, my friends, you know what to do. The trifecta: like, subscribe, the bell notification icon. Why? Because it helps out the channel and it helps out the video. We'll have some links down below to our social media: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. It's the devil's work, but it's necessary to get the word out about Get Out Arizona. We also have some affiliate links down there. If you click one of those links to make a qualifying purchase, you won't be charged anything more, but we'll receive a small commission. And of course, that helps with gas money, coffee money, and park passes, the 3 most important things for any trip. So my friends, on that note, seriously, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask, my friends, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. We'll see you on that next adventure, my friends. Take care, everybody.